Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the phone. Guys, so Apple finally released their MacBook Pro 2020 13-inch with some latest storage option and double the storage. Apple just announced it, the latest hardware refresh. It's 13-inch MacBook Pro, bringing minor specs refresh and hardware change in keyboard. So let's talking about this MacBook Pro, but make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos because I make daily tech videos. So this MacBook Pro available in two colors, silver and space gray, and the display of this MacBook Pro as 13.3-inch diagonal LED backlight display with IPS technology and 2560 by 1600 native resolution at 227 pixel per inch with support of 1,000,000 colors, 500 nits brightness, white color, and true tone technology. Now talking about the hardware, it's available in two generation, 8th generation Intel Core i5 with 3.9 GHz and Intel Core i7 with 1.7 GHz with 8th generation and Turbo Boost 4.5 GHz, but you can configure with a 10th generation latest Core i5 with up to 3.8 GHz and you can configure with up to 2.3 GHz with 10th generation Intel i7 with Turbo Boost up to 4.1 GHz and 8 megabytes shared L3 caches. Storage available from 256 gigabytes to up to 2 terabyte or 4 terabyte SSD. Memory available 8 gigabytes and 16 gigabytes, but you can configure it with 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. Graphic in this MacBook Pro has a Intel Iris Plus graphic 645 available in this MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020. Let's talking about the charging and experimentation. The MacBook Pro 2020 has a 4 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C port with support of a charging display port. Thunderbolt speed is up to 40 gigabytes per second and USB 3.1 generation 2 speed is up to 10 gigabytes per second. Now talking about the keyboard, it has a backlight Magic Keyboard with a 65 US or 66 ISO keys, including 4 arrow keys in inverted T arrangement, touch bar, touch ID sensor, ambition light sensor, force touch trackpad for a precious cursor control, and pressure sensing capability enables force clicks, accelerators, pressure sensitivity, drawing, and multi-touch gestures. It has a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 and 720p FaceTime HD camera. Now talking about the audio, it has a stereo speaker with a high dynamic range, wide stereo sound, support for the Dolby Atmos playback, and 3.5mm headphone jack. Now talking about the battery, it has a built-in 58.2 watt hour lithium polymer battery, 61 watt USB-C power adapter, and it has a up to 10 hours wireless web and 10 hours Apple TV movie playback and up to 30 days of standby time. Okay, so this is the full specification of the new 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro. The starting price of this MacBook Pro is $1,299 and it goes to $1,999. So let me know in the comment section, are you excited about this new MacBook Pro? Are you want to buy this MacBook Pro? If you want to buy from official Apple website, link in the description, go and check it out. And guys, like this video and subscribe for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.